Thousand names of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, thousand names. Vishnu Sahasranama has great significance for devotees of Lord, devotee of Lord Bhishma, the legend grand uncle of Kaurava and Pandavas. While instructing Yudhishthira before he quit his moral frame, he says in the Mahabharata that chanting 1,000 name of Lord Vishnu is the most effective incantation or a mantra to ensure all kind of happiness, all kind of pleasure, and all kind of bliss to the chanter by grace of Lord Vishnu, not only in this world but also in this next. For the benefit of this curious reader, the brief name of these names has also been given alongside. Vishwam, the cause of happiness of the world. Vishnu, all pervading. Vashhas, Vashhatkar, the object of Vashhat, the worship of Yagya, Yagya. Bhutha Bhavya, a master of past, master of present, master of future. Bhutakrita, the creator of physical world. Bhutapritha, the sustainer of the world, the physical world. Bhava, the eternal and self-creator. Bhava, the eternal and self-creator. Bhutatma, the dwelling spirit in every being soul. Bhuta Bhavan, the creator and sustainer of the physical world. Bhutatma, the soul purifier. Bhutatma. Bhutatma is the soul purifier. Paramatma, the supreme spirit. Muktanam Parama Katihi, ultimate stage of liberated soul. Avyaya, imperishable. Avyaya, imperishable. Purushak, Shak, Purushak, the dweller of the poor body. Shakshi, witnessing all happiness. Ikshitragya, Ikshitragyak, he who know all about the body and its nature. Aksharak, undecayable. Yohak, the submit combination of master and the body. Yoga Vidya Nasikya, the leader who knows yoga. Pradhan Puru Varar, the master of nature and being. Narasim Havabu, man, lion, body. Narasimha. Shriman, he who holds Lakshmi close to his bosom. Keshava, symbolizing Trinity with Brahma. Representing Vishnu Mahadev. Representing Brahma, representing Ka, Vishnu, Brahma and Mahadev. Keshava, Purushottaman, the best among decayable and undecayable bodies. Sharvak, all in all. Shan-aha, the destroyer of the creation at dissolution. Shivak, the species form beyond three attributes. Tanuk, stable. Bhutati, the root cause of all beings. Nadi, Nadhirvyaka, Nidhirvyaka, the perishable embodied of the body form surviving through dissolution. Some Baba emerging at will. Bhavanak, the bestowed fruit of action. Bhartak, the sustainer of the world who gives food, etc. to being. Brav, Bravaha, special divine existence. Prabhu, the Lord of all. Ishvarak, the Lord of all opulence. Swayambhu, the self-created Lord. Shambhu, the bestowed blessed to devotees. Aditya, the son of Mother Aditi. Pushkarakshaha, lotus-eyed. Mahaswanah, one who beyond life and death. Dhatha, carrier of all. Vidhatha, the creator of deeds and their fruits. Vidhatha, the creator of deeds and their fruits. Taturutta Mahak, Taturutta, creator of best deeds and their efforts. Taturutta, Tatur, Taturutamaha. Aprameya, non-provable but evidence. Hrish, Hrishikeshaha, master of senses. Padmanabha, the having lotus in the navel from which originates created. Amara Prabhalam, the master of celestials. Vishwakarma, the creator of whole world. Manuha, the progenitor. Manuha, the progenitor. Tavashata, the creator of decay of all being at time of pralaya or dissolution.